circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer. This virtual lab is developed by MHRD Government of India initiative. Especially this experiment is developed by IIT Roorkee. So now we will move on to simulation. We will move on to simulation. So first, already we know the link is blab.co.in. So in that, simply drop down. Loading. So simply drop down. Then we get electrical engineering page. Electrical engineering. Click on electrical engineering. So again, so in that, click on IIT Roorkee Electrical Machines Lab New. So in that, click on list of experiment, and under this we have determination of equivalent circuit parameter from open circuit and short circuit. This is the experiment corresponding to single phase transformer. Simply click this one. So the aim of this experiment, corresponding to the simulation, we directly get equivalent circuit. So another one main advantage of this experiment, that is open circuit and short circuit test, is we can predetermine the efficiency of the transformer. So in example, the same experiment, the same reading can be used for two experiment. One is for calculate the equivalent circuit parameter. Another one it is used for predetermine the efficiency of the transformer. So this is the aim. Then again click on simulation. So in that we have pop-up. In the pop-up they will provide complete simulation procedures. So the procedures are given. One is corresponding to open circuit, another one is corresponding to short circuit. So now we will start with open circuit. Simply click here to go to simulation page. So here the components are MCB supply, one voltmeter, one ammeter, one wattmeter, and auto transformer, then two winding transformer. So we need to determine the equivalent circuit parameter for this two winding transformer only, and one more voltmeter. So this is the components here we are used. So the connection given in the instruction. So I will connect based on this instruction given by around 4 steps are there. So by follow that instruction, I will connect the terminals. So first one, plus is directly connected to auto transformer plus. MCB minus is directly connected to auto transformer minus. Then again all. Again auto transformer minus is again connected to negative terminal of voltmeter 1, and another one again auto transformer negative is connected to P2 of transformer primary winding, P2 terminal of primary winding, and again from the auto transformer positive terminal we connect given connection to voltmeter positive, voltmeter 1 positive, and again another one terminal from auto transformer positive is directly connected to ammeter positive. So this is the connection corresponding to auto transformer. So now move on to P1. So transformer primary P1 is directly connected to L, that is wattmeter L, and L and C connected together. So L and C are short circuited, and M and voltmeter negative watt short circuited. Then the one more connection is here, S1 and S2 simply get open. So we need to measure the voltage across this one. So for this simply connect S2 to voltmeter negative and S1 to voltmeter positive. This is the connection corresponding to this open circuit characteristic. Simply check the connection. So correct connection. So directly we can take the reading by bring this MCB on. By click on this, MCB is on. By click on auto transformer, is automatically. So the main procedure for open circuit test is we need to bring the rated voltage to the primary of the two winding transformer. Corresponding all readings are noted. So simply click on this, and corresponding to this two winding transformer we have the reading. All meters have some reading. Simply click on add to table. So we have the reading. So this is the open circuit voltage. The secondary we have the rated open circuit voltage 230. Corresponding current is 0.9, and POC open circuit power is 50 watts. This is the reading corresponding to open circuit test. We will take only one reading. Then we will move on to short circuit test. So next test is short circuit test. Simply click on this. Then we will move on to short circuit test. Again we are using same component. Only one wattmeter we didn't use because this secondary winding is simply open circuited. So here the main procedure is by supply by putting proper connection. So by supply is on, and by varying the auto transformer we will apply the rated voltage to the primary of the transformer. The corresponding readings are noted. So this is the procedure corresponding to this experiment. So now we will give the connection corresponding to instruction given. So around 7 steps are there like previous one. Simply connect the terminal corresponding to instruction given. MCB negative to auto transformer negative, MCB positive to auto transformer positive. So again MCB negative to voltmeter negative, and again auto transformer negative to P2, and again P2 terminal is directly connected to V of the wattmeter. So next one, auto transformer positive is directly connected to voltmeter positive, and one more auto transformer positive terminal is directly connected to positive terminal of ammeter. So now auto transformer connection is over. Now P1 is directly connected to L, and the LCR short circuited. Then M and ammeter negative are connected. So this is the connection corresponding to, and this is the short circuit. So we need to short circuit the secondary. This is very important. Simply short circuit. So now check on connection. So now all terminals are connected. Now simply click on this one, check connection. So the connection is correct. So now by click on MCB, the power supply given to auto transformer. So by click on auto transformer, by it provide the rated current to the circuit, that is transformer. The corresponding shows by the meter. While turn on, click on transformer, it provides rated current to the transformer primary. So corresponding voltage and wattmeter are readed here. So simply click on add to table. So we get the PCC, power at short circuit, current at short circuit, and VSC at short circuit. So this is the reading corresponding to this one. While click on summation, so we get the corresponding equivalent circuit parameter, that is R12, X12, RI2, XM, R2 dash, X2 dash. So this is the final result. So and also from these two readings, that is open circuit reading, this is short circuit, this is short circuit, and this is the open circuit. From this these two reading, we can calculate the we can predetermine the efficiency and regulation of the given two winding transformer. This is all about this experiment. Thank Maybe we will see the next experiment will be on speed control of slip ring induction motor. Thank you all for watching.